Alrighty then, so today we are looking at the timing for the Ford Capri. I've got the Haynes here, and these are the timing marks as you can see on the car. Now in the Haynes manual it says that you should, for a 2 litre, mark it 4 before TDC, but online I'm seeing a lot of people doing 6 and 8 due to modern petrol. So the larger marks on the front pulley go TDC for 8 and 12. So I've marked 8. That way I can just back it off a little bit to 6. It was a very faint line, and I couldn't get any paint or Tipex in there. So I don't know why I haven't done this a lot earlier, because the car still runs rough. I'm pretty sure this is my problem. And it's all because I haven't had one of these. So I purchased this. It was about 40 quid, and it has the digital readout, so you can actually advance and retard on here. But I thought I'd do this just so I'm doubly sure. The reason why I bought it with the digital readout is because my Ford Escort is on points and it doesn't have a tachometer, so I can see the revs on this one. It's not a problem with the Capri, but yeah, I've already marked up 8 before TDC and TDC. So I'm going to try this out on the Escort first, make sure that it's all good and see how it works. One thing I just learned was there's a little marking on the back here, and that has to be pointing towards the spark plug. I tried this the other day and I might have had it the wrong way around, so that's good to know. So let's try it on the Escort, move out of the way, go take the Capri for a drive, get it warmed up, and then check the timing. Okay, so the reason why I am testing on the Escort first is due to it being on points, and it's coming up for a service now, so it's going to really need that changing, or those changing even. And I've never really checked it. I always let garages do that, so I thought let's check this first, see where it's at, make a note of it. I also have a new dizzy cap and rotor arm, so I'm going to be wanting to put them on, and if anything changes, I've got a baseline then of what to go for. So just warming this up now, and then we'll get this checked. Okay, so we can see that the car is running at, I guess, nearly 1000 RPM, and if I press the button, should be able to see the timing mark there. Whatever that mark is, I'll have to check the Haynes, but that is where we're at. I actually just set this RA button to 0, as it seems to be up at 10 TD, I guess before TDC. So I managed to drive the car around the block, but pressing the brakes or even using the indicator made the car jump violently. So I pulled back up and just started checking the timing while it was still on choke. So it's going between TDC and 8 by the looks of it, moving around, maybe a bit more. Can't create there, back TDC, back, yeah, it's not good.